Hey, welcome to LiterADV's first ride video. In this episode, Michael talks about how we met and I punch a garage door opener.
Hey YouTubers, it's Michael from LiterADV, and today we're just kind of out doing a day ride, and the plan is just kind of do a shakedown run. It is the end of March, so it's a little chilly, but not too bad. Yev and I are planning on doing a trip at the end of April, so this is kind of just a shakedown run. I've kind of loaded my bike up and just testing out everything and see if there's anything that I might want to get before the trip. So yeah, this is just the 2022 shakedown run, kind of coming out of winter and just taking a day ride. So stay tuned if you're interested, and we'll just go over a few things. So I got this GoPro, and this is kind of my trial run with that. And I've got a microphone set up in my helmet, and I'm hoping that I've got the angle right and it sounds good. And we'll go for a little ride here. I'm on the Africa Twin. That's my bike. Yev's is the Vstrom, and this is a 2017 non-DTC. I've added some parts over the winter, so I'm excited to try all that out. Quick shout out to a subscriber who sent me this little windscreen. I'm trying that out for the first time. I don't know if I'll keep it on permanently, but I do some highway miles at times, so that might come in handy. I can get it off pretty quick. So some of the things I want to maybe get for before the trip, I want you guys to help me out with this. I want hand guards, kind of leaning. I really like the Cherubis. I think they're called X Factor or X Factory X or something like that. I really like the look of them, but I do run the Kyoko throttle lock, so I may lean towards the Bark Busters. Help me out to figure that out. What color I should get. This is of course the red Africa Twin, and I need to consider maybe some radiator guards. So here's a little background on me and Yev. I met Yev by chance when I wanted to take a ride one day. I had a Suzuki DRZ 400 at the time, Supermoto. I posted on a local forum that I would like to meet up with anybody that would like to take a ride that day. Yev is the only one that showed up, and he showed up on his Suzuki 2018 Suzuki Vstrom. We did connect a bond because we had two Suzukis, but two very, very different bikes. But we rode that day, and we did a couple of rides after that, and we formed a bond, and he convinced me to go ahead and make the jump out of the kind of the dirt bike market and go for a full liter. And I ended up with the Africa Twin. Him and I found it about 4 hours away. We drove down together in my Jeep. I purchased the bike, and I rode about halfway home, and I let him ride about halfway home. And ever since then, I have been kind of modding it up to my liking, and we decided, hey, let's do a YouTube channel and document some of our journeys. So that's what we did. There's about 20 years difference between Yev and I. I'm a lot older than he is, but you know, motorcycles are the great equalizer.
Got it? Oh yeah, just don't spin.
So we're heading down one of these local areas that I really like to go down. It's a little sketch, but me and Yep come down here quite often.
Here, let me get a video of you doing the whoops.
Okay.
So I'll just walk down there.
Keep on going.
That was exciting.
So that was about it for our day ride. Stay tuned as we prepare to go on a moto camping trip in April, and there will also be some more Africa Twin and Vstrom maintenance videos coming soon.